Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Fios TV One Box blinking white light, boot loop, meaning and restart fix. A blinking white light on a Fios TV One Box typically means the device is stuck in a boot sequence or trying to initialize a firmware update. If it transitions into an endless boot loop where it repeatedly restarts, it generally points to an interrupted firmware installation or an internal hardware failure. First, check for interrupted firmware updates. If the light started blinking after an update, the firmware might be corrupted. Leave the box plugged in and connected to the network for 15 to 20 minutes without pressing any buttons to see if it safely finishes updating on its own. Fix 2. Perform a hard power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the back of the Fios TV One box. Wait for full 60 seconds to let the internal capacitors drain completely. Then plug the power cord back into a functioning wall outlet rather than a surge protector to ensure stable power delivery. Fix 3. Contact Verizon for a box replacement. If none of these steps break the loop, the hardware has likely failed. You will need to contact Verizon support to have a technician push a remote refresh or ship a replacement set-top box. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.